Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with the K. Today I'm reviewing this wig from Sensationnel. I have some things to tell you guys about this wig because I don't know. I kind of have like mixed feelings about this wig, but she's so cute, so you definitely want to stick around. I'm going to show y'all how I put this wig on, and then I'm going to talk to you guys in the end. But before we get started, if you like videos like this, hit that thumbs up for me, guys. It does help push me out, and make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can come back. Let's jump into it. This is the Sensationnel Butta Lace Volume Curl 22 inches wig. I have the Color Balayage Platinum. This is what it looks like all around. The cap on these Butta Lace collection wigs are pretty much the same. You're going to get 2 combs and 1 in the back, and you also get like that T-part wig. This is a standard lace part wig. I like to have my braids as flat as possible underneath my wig, so I have these straight back braids. You see, I was feeling myself. I'm going to go in with a black wig cap. I find that works best with some of these wigs and camouflaging and the line of demarcation. I was trying to figure out what to do with this wig. Y'all know me. I was thinking to pluck her up, so I did. I went in and plucked her up just a tad. I didn't show that on camera, but I do have a whole video separate that I'll leave in the cards of a full plucking tutorial. I'll explain later how I didn't feel like that was necessary. This is just like a standard lace part. So I was just trying to figure out exactly what to do with this wig, guys. I didn't know if I wanted to like turn her to the side or wear her in the middle. I'm gonna go ahead and secure her on the side because initially I was really feeling the side, so I went ahead and I secured this wig down with the side. And if you do, I do recommend like going in with the C part instead of like a straight part. It kind of looks a little bit more realistic, but later on in the video I'm going to show y'all that I go back to the middle part. That's another story. But I'm going with my bed head. Y'all know me, I love my bed head spray. This is a temporary adhesive. It's just for a day, just to kind of melt the lace a little bit, and then I'm going to go on with my elastic band to secure it a little bit more. If you notice, I did not secure all the way down. I don't feel like that's necessary. And I definitely do suggest you get some synthetic wig products. The reality of synthetic wigs is they do tangle, they do shed, but you know, it's a look. It's like a temporary look, so you have to maintain this look. And this is how I like to go in and soften up my synthetic wigs and not have it so tangly out the box. It definitely does help. So I'll leave a link under my Wig Essentials where you can get it off Amazon. If y'all see the middle. So now I'm just gonna go in the part, and I'm kind of defining that part just a little bit. I'm using my concealer just to open up that part a little bit more and make it look more scalp like. For a while I was using powder, but somebody suggested using concealer, and I find that this works a little bit better, especially after I did that concealer not eraser video. I like the look of using concealer better. So now I'm just customizing the wig a little bit, flattening her out. You don't want to look like you have a wig on your head, so you do have to just add these final touches, I think, just to kind of soften it up and make it look more realistic. And that's pretty much it. So we're back. As you guys can see, I went with a middle part. I was gonna do the side, but I don't know. Me and the wig weren't talking. So let me go ahead and give you guys some specs. So this is a Sensationnel wig. It's from the Butta Lace collection. It's a human hair blend wig. So those are a little bit different than the synthetic wigs. So this one has a little bit of human hair mixed with premium synthetic fibers. So it's not your regular synthetic Butta Lace wig. So I have the style Volume Curl 22 and I have the color Balayage Platinum. You're gonna get just a standard lace part in the middle, guys. As you see, I was conflicted. I didn't know if I wanted to shift this, but you can shift this wig. I'll explain why I shift it back in the middle in a second, but you can shift it if you like. I've seen some people do that, but that's it. You're not going to get any lace anywhere else. If you're not familiar with Butta Lace, it's pretty much a very beginner friendly wig. You're also going to get some other colors in here. You're going to get all your balayage colors. So let's go ahead and talk about this wig. Now, I wanted to love this wig. I think she's pretty, but I don't love her the way I thought I would. So I'm not too sure if it was me, if I came in with too much makeup, if I had the red lippy, if it was too much eyeshadow. I took down some of my eyeshadow. I took off the red lippy. I don't know what it was, but I still am not in love the way I wanted to be with this wig. She's very pretty. Now she comes with these nice, beautiful, voluptuous curls in here, and I love the curls in this wig. I think the issue that I have with this wig are these bangs right here. These bangs are, I think they're too short. I think they were trying to do more of like a curtain bang style, and I'm just not, I don't like it. When I shifted it to the side, it was so short that it wasn't flowing right. And this is cute, but I don't know if I just wish it was a little bit longer. Maybe I would have liked it. That's my only issue with this wig, honestly, is that the bangs. Y'all know I don't know if you guys know. I think when I reviewed Outre, I think it was Divine, that wig was gorgeous, but I have an issue with short bangs on my eyelashes, and I just don't like it. Like, I need the curls to flow right. But once you position her right, she's definitely a look. Now, don't get me wrong. Like, she is absolutely a look. So I think the issue is me. It might be me. But these curls are beautiful. You're not going to get layered all the way down. It's kind of layered just more in the front. But then the curls are just the same length all the way around. I also forgot how small Sensational caps are, guys. This wig is so small. Thank God I have my gel braids because my hair is very flat, so keep that in mind. I kind of was struggling a little bit with this cap, but that's kind of Sensational. It's like sometimes the caps are okay, but I think with Butta lace in this collection, I believe it's a little tight, so it kind of fit just right. So I wish the cap was a little bit bigger. The curls, it is getting a little tangly on me, but once you go on with your synthetic products, I think it's okay. But I think that's the only issue. It's just the way the curls are flowing to me, guys. It's not, I don't know. I just don't love her. I need my wigs to flow. I don't love the way the curls are flowing. Could just be me. The hairline, I did try to pluck it a little bit, but honestly, the way the curls fall, y'all, you guys don't need to do that. So I kind of gave up with the plucking because I was like, this is pointless. And then I went in with a little bit of concealer in the part instead of powder. Somebody suggested that in one of my comments when I did my video of the lace knot concealer, to use concealer, and it actually does the job too of making it look more scalp-like compared to powder. So I've tried this, I think, one time before, but it was too light. So I think I'm going to go in with concealer in the part because I like the way it brightened up. So thank you for that comment. The texture on this wig, the texture on this hair is very soft, guys. Now, this is not going to be a yucky wig. This is not going to be thick. This is not going to be any of that. It's definitely a body wave, like human hair wig. It doesn't feel too silky like Barbie dollish. She feels like all the Sensational kind of human hair blend wigs to me. So if you're familiar with that texture, this is exactly what she feels like. But it does feel like a human hair wig. So it's not too Barbie doll, like doll fake-ish, but it is more on the definitely not kinky side. I am getting some shedding on this wig. I'm not too sure if it was just the way I tweezed it, but Sensational wigs, I remember now, they kind of do shed too. So you are going to get some shedding with this wig, but it's synthetic. Keep that in mind. Look at this. I just need my wigs to flow. I went in with this color because I did review Outre, that Silver New York, and it was so gorgeous that I was like, let me see what the Balayage Platinum is hitting like. And I love this color, y'all. Like, I think in a different style, I would love this wig more. But right now, I don't know. I'm just not really, I'm not feeling it like that. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not loving this wig the way I wanted to love this wig. It could just be me. Other than that, I think she's real easy to put on. She's very beginner friendly. Pretty much all I did was spray the top right here. I didn't spray the sides, so you don't have to do that. But when you just have standard lace part wigs, you could get away with literally just spraying right here, guys. So you don't have to do all that melting and all of that. So I do like that. I do like the density on this. Like, I think it's a very pretty volume curl wig if this is what you're looking for. Just for me personally, I don't like the curls in the front. I just feel like this is just kind of messing it up for me. But it could just be me. I think it's just too short. I just wish it was a little longer. It would have hit. This wig would have hit. That's just my opinion. I absolutely do recommend her, even though I don't like the way the bangs are flowing, but I think she's pretty. I think she's a really pretty wig for like a special occasion. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. Do you think it was just like the makeup I had on, or maybe to the side? Like, what do y'all think? Do you think it's the wig? Would you buy her? Leave me some comments because I'm not too sure what it was, but I just was kind of over it. I didn't even want to finish recording, honestly, yeah. Drop some comments down below. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure your notifications are on so you know when I upload, because y'all know I'm not on a schedule. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye!